Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techno Universe. This channel is meant to share an update on the latest security, technology and trending news. So if you like to get these informations firsthand, then please subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll make sure that I respond each one of your comments and queries if any. You can also reach me via email technologywithrakesh@gmail.com. So let's start today's video. In this video, we will be talking about few of the tips on how to secure your home broadband. In the current scenario, everyone is working from home and doing many things like browsing internet, downloading and accessing multiple sites. In this video, we will talk on few simple tips and by using that, you can secure your home broadband without any technical knowledge. So let's begin. But before that, if you like this content, then please share with your friends and let them also protect their home broadband. Secure authentication. Almost all wireless routers comes with an encryption feature. By default, it is turned off. Turning on your wireless router's encryption setting can help secure your network. Make sure you turn it on immediately after your broadband provider installs the router. Of the many types of encryption available, the most recent and effective is WPA2. One of the easiest and simplest way to protect a Wi-Fi network is by keeping a long and random password to ensure that hackers cannot access your connection. The default access name and password of the router is easy to decode, and hackers get easy access to your network using a few tricks. However, if both access name and password are secured with a strong encryption, hackers will not be able to hack into a broadband connection and get private data of users. How to do this? Log into your router console using your internet browser. Enter your user ID and password to get authenticated. Go to wireless settings. Choose option WPA2 PSKAES. Hide your SSID. When using a wireless router at home, it is highly recommended that you disable network name broadcasting to the general public. This feature is often useful for businesses, libraries, hotels, and restaurants that want to offer wireless internet access to customers, but it is usually unnecessary for a private wireless network. Broadband connection can also be secured by hiding the service set identifier, which is SSID, and also known as the network name. This gives a hacker a better chance of breaking into your network. Once the network name is hidden, unethical hackers will not be able to search the network connection, and users who know the name of the Wi-Fi connection will be able to connect their devices with the broadband connection. If users follow these simple steps, they will not have to worry about the data breach and cyber attacks from hackers and cyber criminals. All the steps can be followed without any external hassle, and users will enjoy a secured broadband connection which will cater to their work and entertainment needs. Log into your router console using your internet browser. Enter user ID and password to get authenticated. Go to wireless settings. Choose option uncheck enable SSID broadcast. Segregate your network. What do you mean by segregation of your network? Which means configure two different SSID for your home internet and guest internet. Don't configure guest network unless it is required. Nowadays, everyone has internet in their personal mobile. One of the most common requests we get from guests and visitors is the access to Wi-Fi connection. To ensure that the broadband connection is safe from any unethical guest, a user must always provide a separate network for guests. The separate network will just allow user to get an internet connection. However, guests will not be able to breach into the internal network of the users. All the modern wireless routers have the capability of running two Wi-Fi networks, that is one for the main network and another one for guests. How to configure guest network? Log into your broadband home router. Log into your router console using your internet browser. Enter user ID and password. To get authenticated, go to guest network settings. Choose option enable guest network. Enable MAC authentication. To completely secure your broadband connection, you can enable the MAC authentication for guest users. MAC authentication will allow the users whose devices are authenticated and restrict the rest. With MAC authentication enabled, unauthorized devices will not be able to access your broadband connection. What is MAC? It is a hardware address assigned uniquely to all the devices. Limit Wi-Fi signal range. If you are using home Wi-Fi in a smaller area, limiting the Wi-Fi signal will be one of the easiest way to secure your broadband connection. You can limit your Wi-Fi signal by switching from 802.11b or 802.11n to 802.11g. Keep your router software updated. Sometimes router's firmware, like any other software, contains flaws that can become major vulnerabilities unless they are quickly fixed by firmware releases from the manufacturer. Always install the latest software available on the system and download the latest security patches to ensure no security hole or breach is left open to online predators. Takeaways. The points which we have discussed in this video are: 1. We learned how to create a secure authentication. 2. How you can hide your SSID. 3. How you can segregate your network. 4. How you can enable MAC authentication. 5. How to limit your Wi-Fi signal range. 6. How to keep your router software updated. Thank you for your participation in this journey with me, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Also let me know on which topic you would like to see in the next video. Till then, bye. Stay home and stay safe.